Hey guys, what's going on? Jed Scott here from, I would like to say Scott's Beach Shop, but not really today. Got a really cool unboxing video. Got some parts in today that I've been wanting for ages. Something I never thought I'd be able to own. Another one of those cool parts, you know. Don't mind the Dana 60, 18 spline, 4-speed, all that junk. And I'm in my bedroom because it's cold outside. It's winter time here in Kansas, and one day you're wearing a t-shirt, the next day you are bundled up like you're in Alaska. And that's why you don't see very many car videos during the winter time, because we pretty much will just put the cars away for the winter because it's hard on them to start in this cold weather. But let's get started on this video. We're going to hopefully do this without having to do any editing, so just going to be a quick, video, mainly for me. But if we give you any kind of indication what the video is going to be about, there's a 426 Hemi tunnel ram, topped with two 750 double pumpers. So let's go open this box. There's a cat messing with my shit. Just got this in the mail. Literally, a UPS guy dropped it off. And this is something oh my god, I've always wanted a pair of these. Oh. We're just gonna keep you in suspense. God dang, Dad. My dad ate a lot of cookies last night during the Super Bowl. Oh. Well, we have ourselves a pair of Mickey Thompson 426 Hemi valve covers. They're not perfect, but you know what? For the price, I will not complain. These are so freaking sweet. I have always wanted a pair of these. Now, these aren't going on my dad's engine. I've currently got a 426 Hemi block found. It's been repaired extensively. It's runnable, but it's probably going to be a display item for the foreseeable future. We're just going to eyeball this one because it's the prettiest one. Oh, I know it don't seem like much, just a valve cover, but these things on eBay go nuts. And yeah, this one's, they've been kind of manhandled and mistreated, but and they've had some weld repair. You know what? I don't really care. I just think these are super cool. For all my viewers out there, you've seen me polish aluminum. I don't know if I want to leave these wrinkled black or if I want to polish these. Dad originally wanted me to polish his, and then he changed his mind. So let me know what you guys think I should do. Wrinkle black, polish them, paint them race Hemi orange. I don't know. What should we do? In fact, let's show you what race Hemi orange can look like. Because I have inside my pleasure room, shall I call it, the parts room, the NASCAR valve cover that came off of Dad's engine that I have all my friends sign. We could paint it like that. And there's the one we made in the other video. And here's that polished Mickey Thompson from the video a long time ago. Yeah. Whew. I can't believe I showed my face at the beginning of this. I look horrible. That's my brother's, by the way. Not that I care about rebel flag and stuff like that, but that's not mine. But yeah, so let me know, guys. What do you think we should do with those valve covers? Still on the hunt for one more 426 Hemi head. But let me know what we should do with those valve covers. Leave them as they are, polish them, repaint them. I don't know. Leaving it up to you guys. So y'all take care, and thank you for watching and staying tuned. All 605 of you, last time I checked, maybe 606, I don't know. It's a huge number, never thought I'd accomplish. It's still amazing to me. So let me know, guys. Take care. Bye.